Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30394. And this is the Minecraft Skeleton Defense Polybag. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one of these a day for the recent past. So there's a decent number of them already out, and there's plenty more on the way. If you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find the set on Bricklink and Amazon. And also, I've included a link to Brick Set if you just want information about this particular set. Now, the Minecraft theme is kind of interesting. It really seemed to well suit the Legos in general. So, how do you put together a skeleton? I feel like it's like leg. That's a leg, I'm pretty sure. And there's toes. So I'm guessing there's a direction to these things. So we gotta make sure our skeleton toes are all facing the right way. And then I guess arm. Yeah, seems like it's right. Arm and arm. So we got our skeleton with his arms, and then a skeleton head. Alright, good deal. And based upon my knowledge of Minecraft, he gets a bow. I wonder. There you go. He gets a bow. Alright, so we got a skeleton. And we got a player. Now let's see what kind of defense we can set up with this. Doesn't look like this is a super complicated build, and I think probably the bulk of it is the fact that you get, I'm not going to call that skeleton a full minifig, because I feel like the skeleton's like half a minifig. But so you get 1.5 minifigs. So maybe that's a big hunk of it. A big hunk of what like they're thinking. Alright. So let's see. And you got that. And then I put that on. And is that their interpretation of a flower, maybe? I don't know. Alright. So, got that and that. And then, like so. And we head over to a new biome here. I guess this is going to be our fort. So we got a fort and some water and 2 sprouts is my guess where this is headed. I got that and that, and a sprout and a sprout, like so. And that one there. And then this is going to be our defensive post. And this is going to be the thing we shoot. Alright. So this kind of looks like the whole thing. Yeah. This looks like the whole thing. Alright, so you have our defender over here. And you have the skeleton trying to get in. And we got these extra pieces. Alright, that's kind of interesting. It's not too bad, I guess. I don't think this is like particularly awesome in the wow, it's an interesting build kind of thing. But there's definitely some action going on for the few pieces we get. I don't know. What do you think? You think this is one of those polybags that it's mainly for the minifigs and that's kind of about it? Or what? I don't know. I'm feeling like this is one of those it's for the minifigs kind of sets. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.